Coming this way, I think. Oh, but you can see I'm down at Custer State Park on Wildlife Loop Road. Of course, there's the buffalo herd right there. They're on both sides of the road up there, even on the road I saw down there. Well, we got a traffic jam back up here. You can see way down there. It'll be a while for me to get through there once I get back on the bike. Wow, there's still a couple more stops here on Wildlife Loop Road that I want to make. There's over on the other side of the road too. You can zoom in and real closer here. You down there, they're on the road. So I'm going to be sitting here for a while before I hop on the bike and then head down the road. So talk to you later. Big bull there. Closer than I wanted to be. Keeping my distance from them though. Okay, look at traffic is starting to move forward, so I'm going to take and hop on the bike and see if I can get with the flow of the traffic. Okay, talk to you later. Just got parked here. This is the Custer State Park Bison Center. I'm going to head over there and see what it looks like over there. The Wildlife Loop Road is right over there. You just turn off and into here. And this is the corrals where when they have the buffalo roundup, they bring them all into here. That's where all that takes place. Huh. Roundup trails. Wow. That's where we are. No way, we're here. Wow. Okay. Well, not today, but someday I would just like to come back to that and probably walk up there. Wow. Cool. All right, gotta hear that one. Well, that was kind of interesting to see. Kind of, it's got a lot of bison information in there that's pretty clear and easy to understand, actually. So, anyways, gonna hop on the bike and head down Wildlife Loop Road. There's one more stop on Wildlife Loop Road that I want to make that's new that I have not seen yet. I've never stopped there yet. It's just a little trail that goes up to kind of a little peak, it looks like. But anyways, gonna head over there and talk to you then. All right, just got parked right along the Wildlife Loop Road. I've rode by this place last few years and never stopped because I was always videoing, and I didn't want to have to restart the cameras and everything. So today I came down here just to do some stops. Since I'm not recording the rides today, now I can take and do some stops that I usually don't take. So let's head up there, up the hill, and see what kind of view we got. Well, I'm up here. Nice view up here. And of course, true to form for South Dakota, wind. Steady wind, so you have to deal with it, whatever. That's what it looks like up here. I'm not going to go down that way, take too much time. That bison backup took a lot of time. Buffalo Jam. And I'm hungry, so my next stop is going to be a picnic. And I have my lunch all ready. So yeah, it's 12:30 p.m. right now, so it got late already. So man, I got to go over there, get to the picnic area that's right at the end of Wildlife Loop Road. I'm going to take and eat there. Okay, I'm heading down the bike. Better get a shot of me up here. Let's around this way. Okay, talk to you later. There, then this is it, where I just finished up eating, actually. I'm just sitting here relaxing for a moment. And right over there, that's where the the road, you know, Wildlife Loop Road ends. I just came from there to this parking area that's right here. There's the picnic shelter here and over there, and picnic tables over there, and the visitor center is right there. They also have a parking lot there for that. Of course, I could have parked there too and just walked over. They got sidewalks and stuff. But anyways, after this, I am going to hop on a motorcycle. I'm going to ride Iron Mountain Road, but I don't think I'm going to stop anywhere. I don't plan to right now, but I'll play it by ear. Might just ride straight through, but that's the plan right now anyways. But I'm just going to take and finish up that, and then hop on the bike and head to Iron Mountain Road. So talk to you later. Okay, I just rode that at Rushmore Adventure Park here over by Keystone. It's actually further down the road from Keystone, but anyways, that was a fun ride. I really liked it. I'm not able to film on it with you have both hands that use the brakes and everything, but you go up that, it pulls you up there, and then of course it brings you to the top and you go down the track. It's a really smooth ride too, really fast, but you don't want to go too fast, of course. But yeah, that was pretty fun, so I'm glad I did that. But anyways, I'm gonna head back to camp now. It's about 4:30. Gonna ride all the way back up there from here, so I've got a ride in front of me. So talk to you later. Okay, well, that's gonna wrap up this video. Just got back from a shower and I'm going to head to bed now. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.